India and the United States on Tuesday signed a landmark bilateral framework aimed at securing the supply, mining, and processing of critical minerals and rare earth elements, marking a major step in strengthening strategic and economic cooperation between the two countries. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar announced the agreement after bilateral discussions and the Quad Foreign Ministers meeting, calling the move timely and critical in the current global landscape. Focus on supply chain security. The framework seeks to deepen cooperation across the entire critical minerals and rare earth supply chain, including mining, processing, recycling, and related investments. According to Jaishankar, the agreement is designed to build resilient and diversified supply chains while ensuring better management and financing mechanisms for these strategically important resources. Critical minerals and rare earth elements are essential for manufacturing high-tech electronics, electric vehicles, clean energy technologies, and advanced defense systems. The agreement comes amid global concerns over dependence on limited suppliers in the sector. Strategic partnership gets stronger. US Secretary of State Marco Rubio described the agreement as a tangible example of the growing strategic alliance between Washington and New Delhi. He stressed that both nations share long-term interests in securing reliable access to critical minerals that are vital for innovation-driven economies. The initiative is also seen as part of broader global efforts to reduce reliance on China, which currently dominates the global rare earth processing market.